Microsoft 365 Copilot allows you to build agents that can call standard REST APIs with minimal coding. Hi, I'm Rabia Williams and I'm a cloud developer advocate for Microsoft. In this video, you'll learn all about the options for securing your APIs. Bob German, my colleague, and I will show you these options and you can choose what's right for your project. So let's start from the beginning. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI service that's built into the Microsoft's famous collaboration suite. You can tailor and customize Copilot by writing agents. Now, there are two options for building these agents. You can extend Copilot by adding a declarative agent, which provides instructions and pointers to additional information to be used by the AI built into Microsoft 365. Or you can build your own agent from ground up using your own AI engine. In this video, we'll be discussing how to build declarative agents for professional developers.
So as you may know, Copilot declarative agents can declare instructions and different places in Microsoft 365 where the agent should get its information. They can also define these things called plugins or actions, where you instruct the declarative agent to call a RESTful API, which could be for any application service you want, in order to augment what the declarative agent is capable of doing. So this is a really powerful concept. The reality check, though, is that most APIs are authenticated, as they should be, especially if something important is behind them. Declarative agents support 3 different options for authentication, in addition to, of course, an anonymous version, which is great for demos, but probably not really that frequently seen in real life. The options are an API key, so there's a fixed key that is stored safely inside of Teams developer portal in what they call a vault there, so implies security, right? You can also set up single sign-on, where the user logs in transparently using the same login that they used to access Copilot itself. And then there's OAuth, which is a standard for authentication that's used widely in the cloud. In this series, we're going to explain how to do single sign-on and OAuth in the videos that follow this one. The most common scenario is to use Entra ID, which is the same identity provider used by Microsoft 365. So it provides a nice seamless experience for users since they're already signed in to Microsoft 365. This not only allows you to authenticate the user, but allows you to act on the user's behalf to call other downstream APIs on behalf of the user, things like Microsoft Graph. So here's a quick demo to show what an agent can do if it uses either the single sign-on or the OAuth options. I'll ask Copilot for a list of projects, and it knows who I am and what permission I have. The API can use this to retrieve my data, as you can see here, and to enforce security, so I'm the only one who can view or update certain data, for example.
Setting this up can be a bit complex, so we have developed hands-on labs and videos to help you out. At the extent path of the Copilot Developer Camp, you will be building an AI agent designed for HR team. We'll start with basics, creating a simple declarative agent, and then set it up, adding more advanced skills to make it truly capable assistant to help you managing consultants. You can see here authentication labs. There are 3 different ways you can secure your agent or your API. You could either use OpenAuth and Entra ID, which was previously called Azure Active Directory authentication using Teams Toolkit, which is a VS Code extension. This is quick and easy. Then there is the manual steps for doing this if you want to learn how this is set up. And finally, there is another lab to show you how to authenticate with single sign-on, again using Entra ID.
We also have videos for the Entra ID options. This video is the overview. The next one explains how to do authentication via Entra ID single sign-on. And the third video in the series will cover authentication using the OAuth 2.0 protocol, which you could adapt to use another identity provider so long as it uses the OAuth 2.0 protocol. Links to all of them are in the show notes. Make your choice, and I'll see you in the next video.